Okay, so we're gonna capture this street. It's called something Avenida de Almirante Se, something like that. And basically, it's kind of marked with all these little pillars, and it goes all the way down like that, and it also goes all the way down this direction as well, and it keeps going all the way towards Barra. But we kind of have some interesting stuff all along the way. So we're just gonna walk down that way and kind of try to capture some of the feeling of the street. It's kind of interesting. I'll explain what I know about it as we walk. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so this is Rua de Almirante Se. So we're just gonna, it goes all the way down to Barra, and it also captures this McDonald's right here as well. So you can see, it's kind of cool. The lights are just coming on. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna try to cross the street and walk down it a little bit. I don't know, some of this housing looks kind of cool from this side of the street. So we'll see what it looks like underneath. We might even go back and forth a little bit. And actually, this is our target street right here. Rua de Almirante Se. And it goes all the way down to Barra. There's actually some interesting stuff right in this area. A lot of interesting things. I don't see them today. Sometimes there'll be these people hanging out. I think they're further down a little bit. Granted, we're going the opposite way, but then I want to go. But doing a lot of construction around here. But over there, there's some people that'll hang out. Let's just walk on down. Huh. There's all these little patios, and this goes towards, it's like a little hawker district. And there used to be all these people hanging out. I guess they're down that way a little bit. It's all part of our street anyway, so we'll just capture it. This street, I always feel like it's like more older people. And it goes into these little alleys everywhere, like that one, like this little hawker alley. We're just gonna walk in to this area, and then we're gonna come back down. That's kind of cool though. You do have all the people playing the games in this area. They're doing all this construction over on that side, and we could walk over it on this way as well, but construction in this area. And that's going to come down just a little bit further because I want to capture the artwork on this one wall right here. It's kind of a cool building right there too. This one. So I think in the future they're going to start making some changes to this one. I think there's some historical value to it, but it's kind of condemned and not looking so good these days. But it is a really cool street, and this is quite striking when you see it from this location. Okay. So that's our target street right there. And then yeah, this street basically goes all the way to Barra. And a bird. And over there you have a waterfront, and they've been doing this construction here for a long time, and that's a way to get over there as well. So yeah, it's kind of a cool place. It looks like you could eat over here too. But whenever I walk by there, it always looks like a bunch of people that are on some kind of retirement, limited income. Anyways. You have all these side streets. Kind of interesting, some of the buildings too. Like just the way these buildings kind of stagger up like that. Okay. If you know much about, for some reason, I feel like the pixelation of the camera just seems kind of funny. I don't know, maybe I might have to play around with it a little bit, try to figure that out. Let me see. Okay, we're still walking down our street. I don't know. I feel like it looks better. There was a setting. Still trying to figure out the settings. I just did the setting that had like HDR, and I just put it into a normal setting. That might have been the whole thing that was making it look kind of strange. I don't know. I'll slowly find out over time, I guess. Yeah, it does look a lot better. So you can see all these cars are going to turn left here. Yeah, all of them are going to turn left. I think we have to watch all of them go. We can get across right now. Okay. Colors are like so strange. Seems like the settings really bring out that yellow. It is kind of a vibrant yellow, but the camera seems like it even brings it out more. Yeah, it really pulls out the colors out of the buildings. They do look like that though, but let's see if I can walk down this way. Oops. Okay. Continue walking down it. Big pillars. Try and keep. I don't know. Little alleys. I don't think I have walked in this alley before. That alley takes you to kind of interesting, goes up on the hill a little bit. If you take it, it meanders up, and there's kind of some interesting houses up there. That one would definitely take you sidetracked if you were to take it. Just kind of capture these streets real quick. Okay. Okay, so now we're just going down a normal street. That building over there is on the waterfront. The building in the background right over there. That's a little travessa. Some kind of cool streets when you get up into here a little bit. The streets that we're on, I think these are this straight line and that other straight line, they're both straight streets, are reclaimed land. So I feel like because of it, they're more boring. They're just linear, straight, newer. Okay, so we're going to keep on walking up, and in a minute we're going to get up to Sunsun Park. Okay. I'm going to keep on going down. That street is called Francisco Antonio, which is kind of, I found it to be kind of an interesting area. But we're going to keep walking all the way to Sunsun Park here. I haven't been in the street in quite a while anyways. And I'm just going to walk up here and then try to take in this whole street a little bit. So I think our street just goes all the way up to that, all the way up to the Pont 16. Then you got all the ponts over on this side. A lot of construction happening on this whole street. And that was basically what we just filmed, just down that way. And then you have Sunsun Park right here. Go up, take a look. Grand Lisboa Casino is directly right there. You can sit in the park, of course. I think this is like a health center right here, but I think for a while it was like the Opium Museum or something like that. A reference to it. Now it changes to another street, Budas Lorcas. So it looks like our street ended and now it's something a little bit different. So, okay. So this is Sunsun Park. And our target street ended over there. I'll just walk up. And of course we're gonna end it in a moment. It's nice though. Okay. Almirante Sergio. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.